Hi, hope you're all doing great. We're conducting a free orientation test for NEET MDS aspirants as we are launching our new batch, short-term batch with ICP from June 2018. So this test contains 25 multiple choice questions with 1/4 negative marking, and the total duration of the test is 30 minutes. So you'll have questions from memory-based, concept-based, case-based, including image-based. And the speciality of this test is by the time you complete the test and submit the test, you'll have key with explanations, and in the explanations, the uniqueness here is you will have a running commentary on the kind of questions, like what category does each question fall under and how to deal with these kind of questions, how to deal with memory-based questions, how to deal with concept-based questions, how to deal with image-based questions or case-based questions. So you'll have this commentary of each question in the explanatory part itself. And by the time, and as I said, once you complete the test, you'll also have a ranking system so that you can know your position on a relative scale, right? I'm sure you'll enjoy the test, and for any further queries, you can drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. Wish you all the best. Love you all.